Cheese. What are you, videotaping this? When you snap the pink. Well, you're videotaping it, aren't you? Abby, please. Come here. No, in front of me. You gotta be kidding me. She goes and runs off. Rock-a-bye doggy on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall. And down comes my doggy, cradle and all. Okay, Annie, that was so inappropriate. That was the wrong time. Oh, no. You were poking doggy in the eye. Seriously, she was poking the dog in the eye. You okay, Ceci? You old bird. She's free to go whenever she wants. See? And she just lays in front of me. Nothing interesting will happen after this, and you know it. Unless you do this. Get her, Abby! Get her!
Sassy!
Sassy, go get her! Thank God for my